Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, back again. Hey, have y'all ever heard of the American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard of Matt on YouTube, part-time picker? And I got a new one. Have you ever heard of the Tesla picker? Yeah, Dave. Yeah, I see you, Dave. Hey, and have you ever heard of shed flips? Whatever he called it now with Lonnie. Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Yeah, with this Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want you to say that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I sold some stuff the last couple of days. Happy Mother's Day to you guys out there. Yeah. Anyway, I sold some stuff, and this is a what's sold video. You can see all my junk back there. Don't worry about all that. You know, I got a new clean area over here. See that? Woo, look at that. But I'm gonna go over what I sold in the past couple of days, and don't pay no attention to, you know, if I get out of order or whatever. Okay, first thing I sold is these Wonder Days. I don't know what's going on out there. Everybody at home, and they doing whatever they doing. But you see what that say? Wonder Day pre-pregnancy. Him and her. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on, but I sold two of these to two different people. Woo! I don't know what's going down out there. But y'all better, you know, just get it on. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? You get old like me, you ain't gonna be getting it on. But anyway, I sold one. This the first one I sold. It's $19.99, and I think it's free shipping. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me look at my list. I had to get a list together because I can't remember stuff. Yeah, I charge $2 free shipping. You guys know that I charge $2 sometimes to help me out with shipping sometimes, depending on what the item is. You know, I charge $2 sometimes. You know what I mean? For shipping. Everybody do free shipping. Sometimes I do $2. Okay, next item on the list. You guys weren't with me when I got this. I got this from Lowe's. See that cobalt? I paid $1 for this. It sold for $9 and $9.40. And it's $4.75 shipping. You know what I'm saying? But I sold that. I paid $1 for that at Lowe's. Yeah, that's one of those. When I went out searching at Lowe's, but you all wasn't with me this time. I went out searching at Lowe's for sourcing because all the thrift stores were closed. So got that for $1. Let me see what else. Oh, I paid $7. I think I paid $4 for this. See what that say? 300 foot cobalt, brand new. I sold it for 30. I think I paid $7 for that. I sold it for $38.60, $10 shipping and handling. You know what I'm saying? That's going out today. Let me see what else. Okay, PS3 game. Yeah, Lollipop. Y'all don't remember this game right here. See that game right there? It's used. PS3. Let me get out the light. PS3 game, it's used, but it's sold for $24.70. With that's free shipping and handling. Sometimes I put my games on there free shipping and handling, you know, and I don't even care about that because it's free. And then in a minute I'm gonna show y'all how I pack these games and stuff. You know, I'm kind of cheap. You know what I'm saying? So I don't use a whole lot of padded stuff like y'all do. You know, I'm cheap as hell. But anyway, let me look at the list. The next up is the training for PS. Well, it's really for, I think it's for a Wii. You can use for a Wii. You got to put the little controllers inside the little thing right there. So this is active 2 for the Wii. See that? Let me get it up. Got all this stuff in there. I've been having this stuff for a long time. See that? I bought this when the Wii first came out. I sold that for $37, and the shipping and handling. I charged $3 shipping and handling on that. You know, I charge $2 or $3 sometimes for shipping and handling. You know what I'm saying? But next on the list is oh, y'all don't believe this, but I paid these like vintage wheel erasers. You all remember these? I actually paid 10 cents a piece for these in the thrift store. A guy bought both of them. He bought both of these. I had 2 left. I had 5 of them. I've been selling them like crazy. He bought 2. For I sell them for $12 and 50 cents a piece. He offered $10 a piece for them, so I took it. So these $20 all in, plus it's $5 shipping. I think I charged him $5 shipping. But yeah. Next is PS2 Ben 10. PS2 Ben 10. Y'all don't remember Ben 10, do you? I used to play this with my kids. It's brand new. PS2 Ben 10. Brand new. It sold for $14, I think. It sold for $14, 50 cents free ship. Most of my games are free shipping. And especially if I sell one real expensive. I'll show you in a minute how I pack the ones that's under like $30. I just put them in an envelope and just send them, you know. Next up is another one a day. You all seen it. I have to show you that again. That's my last one though. I had 2. I bought them for $1 a piece at Goodwill. $1 a piece. Next one up, if you all remember when I went to Walmart, I got video when I went to Walmart and I did some searching. I mean, what you call it? I just said the word. What the hell wrong with me? I'm old. I just said the word sourcing. I did some sourcing at Walmart. And y'all remember these? You know y'all remember these from the video I made at Walmart. Yeah, I paid $2.50 a piece for these, right? One lady bought 2. This lady right here bought 1. I didn't make a video on the lady that bought 2. But anyway, she paid $15 for that plus $3 shipping. So $15 plus $3 shipping. That's cool. You know, and all I paid was $2.50 for that. Next up, I sold like 12 items. Next up is PS3 Star Wars. Let me find that. There it is. It's pre-owned. PS3 Star Wars, the Clone Wars. That sold for $14.10, 10 cent free shipping. Next up is Greenworks. Y'all remember when I bought this? Greenworks, $10.40 plus $3.90 shipping. You remember when I bought this? I made a video about when I went to Walmart sourcing. I paid $1 for that. Y'all don't remember? I paid $1 for this. It sold for $10.40 plus $3 and something shipping. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. But when I source, I source. And I ain't mean to tell y'all my secret location that I source at. But I got a whole lot of secret locations that I really don't want to tell y'all stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to let y'all know some things. Some secrets. I've been doing this for a long time. You know. So, next up is, I sell baseball gloves. I still got like probably 50 more to put on eBay. But I sold this catcher's mitten. Look like it's brand new. This catcher's mitten right here. Eastern catcher's mitten. I sold that for $17, I think. Oh, let me look at the price. I sold that for $27 plus $8 shipping. And the last thing I can't find. I put the picture on the thing, but I'm still trying to find this going to Israel. This guy emailed me about 9,000 times. You ship to Israel? You ship? What the hell? You ship? It don't supposed to be you ship. You know what I'm saying? I'm not an English professor, but I know it's not supposed to be you ship to Israel. Or you, I forgot. I read what he said because you ship sound okay, but he said something else. But anyway, it's if you can't hear, you hook it up to your phone and it amplifies your voice. So I guess if you hard of hearing, you can hear a little bit more. So it's like a hearing aid for your phone, I guess. I don't know. All I know is I sold it. and it sold for $27.50, and it's $8.70 shipping. But you know they're gonna send it to Kentucky or whatever they send it to, because it's international. So I don't know how much they charge this dude, but anyway, I don't know how much they charged him, but I don't care. $8 something shipping to Kentucky. That's all I'm worried about. I don't know how they're gonna ship it, but anyway, let me show y'all how I do this. I don't know how I'm gonna hold the phone to do this, but whatever. I take the game. It's the game right here, Ben 10. I send them in these envelopes right here. See how thin that is? I send them in that. Y'all keep on sending that in that padded envelope if y'all want to. Any games that I sell that's below $30, or I'm gonna say 25, whatever, I send in these. Sometimes if I wrap them in bubble wrap, if they ask me to, and sometimes I just put tape on them so they won't open. I tape the inside, the little CD on the inside so it won't come out, and I tape the outside so it won't open up. Because I have one guy, I use these. They fit tight as hell in these, right? He gonna send me back for a refund saying the CD came out. What the? Anyway, so I emailed back. I said, man, I got pictures of my stuff. I said, the envelope is so tight, that CD can't come out of there, man. It can't come out. But he put a claim in on eBay, and eBay made me give him a refund. But I know he had a messed up game. I told him don't send it back, because it was like, I think it was like $7 or something. So I wasn't worried about no shipping and nothing. I told him to keep it. You know, I just refunded him $7 and ship, plus I think I charged him $2 shipping because it was low. When I sell a game that low, I charge $2 shipping. So whatever, y'all can do it and make $2 if y'all want to. I'll charge $2 shipping. So I refund him his money. But ain't no way that CD came out of there. Plus it was new. That dude sucked. Whatever, y'all. I said it. He sucked. I put on there. I sent him an email. I said, man, you a grifter. I called him all kind of different names. I said, it's because of you that people are on eBay don't want to sell to people that got less than 2 sales or whatever. I mean, got less than, not 2 sales, less than he got 2 marks against him, whatever you call it. When you, because I got it set now where I ain't selling to nobody that's got a certain amount of marks against them. And I sold to him, trusting him, and that dude ganked me. You know what I'm saying? He ganked me. But anyway, y'all, the thrift stores are back open again today in St. Louis. So I'm going to go to a couple of them, and I'm going to make a video of what I bought. You know, because, people been cleaning out their house. You know, some good stuff out there. So I'm going out today to see a little bit, to try to get a little bit of stuff in. But anyway, if y'all don't know, I'm Kevin from St. Louis. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I started off selling video games, and that's it. Then last year, I want to say this is a year and a half ago, I started selling everything. Just selling everything. No, 7 months ago, I started making videos. But anyway, I started selling everything. And it's been doing pretty good, you know, especially since you got to stay in the house. You know, people been buying the heck out of stuff. But, you know, like I said, I didn't really have to go out thrifting. I got so much stuff. But I'm Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know. No, let me do this first. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Yeah. And give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. But I want a thumbs up, though. You know what I'm saying? And subscribe. All y'all out there, subscribe, because I'm trying to get some good content for y'all. And this ain't over, because I'm a videotape going through the stores now. I guess. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. But Matt taught me how to do some things, but he need to teach me how to videotape going through the stores. And I mean, going through the store. And that dude, what's that dude name? Tesla Picker. Yeah. Show me how you do it too, because you have a camera on you. And Lonnie, all y'all give me some advice. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't hold this phone going through the store. I got some little GoPro things, but I don't know how to do that. But anyway, my name is Kevin. I'm from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002. And I want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah.